Hi friends, in this problem we have three terms A, B, C. They are in geometric progression and A is not equal to 0 obviously, right? And the common ratio is lying between 0 and half, right? R can be equal to half obviously, but it cannot be equal to 0. Now if A, B, C are in GP, 3A, 7B, 15C are the first three terms of an arithmetic progression. This is geometric progression, this is arithmetic progression. Then what is the fourth term of this arithmetic progression? That is the problem. Now, if these three terms A, B, C are in geometric progression, what does that mean? We can write them as A, AR, AR square. Right? B and C, we can write them as AR and AR square. R is the common ratio. At the same time, 3A, 7B, and 15C are in AP. What does that mean? 7B should be the average of 3A and 15C because these three are in arithmetic progression. That means 3A plus 15C by 2 should be equal to 7B. And what is C? C is AR square, B is AR. Let's take this and substitute this here. We want everything in terms of R. So 3A plus 15C. 15C is 15AR square equals 7B into 2, which is 14B, which is 14AR. Right, what does that mean? 15AR square minus 14AR plus 3, 3A. If we take A common, if we cancel all A's from all the three sides, right? A, these three will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 15R square minus 14R plus 3 equals 0. What does that mean? We can write this as 15R square minus 9R minus 5R. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 5 is 45, which is 15 into 3. Right, we can factorize this like this. So this becomes, if we take 3r common, right? 3r from these two terms, this becomes 3r into 5r minus 3. And here minus 1 into 5r minus 3. That becomes 3r minus 1 into 5r minus 3. So r is either 1 by 3 or 3 by 5, right? So here it is in the problem, it is already given 0 less than r less than or equal to half. That means we can take only r equals 1 by 3. This one we cannot take. Right. Now, R we have got. But the question is about what is the fourth term of the AP. Right. Let us find out what is the common difference of this AP. Right. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. Right. So 7B minus 3A should be the common difference. 7B minus 3A. What is B? B is AR and A is again A. 7B minus 3A. That's what we want. 7B minus 3A. 7 into AR minus 3A. Right. R is 1 by 3. Right. So this means 7A into 7R minus 3. That means R is 1 by 3, A into 7 by 3 minus 3. That becomes minus 2A by 3. Right. The first term of this arithmetic progression. Oh, no. The common difference of this arithmetic progression is minus 2A by 3. Right. What we want? We want the fourth term. Fourth term is this first term plus 3 times the common difference. Right. The first term is 3A plus 3 times this common difference minus 2A by 3. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. We'll get 3A minus 2A, which is equal to A. So this is the answer. Right. Very simple problem. Just that we need to put basic formulas or basic structures of what is arithmetic progression, what is geometric progression. Right, guess. Thank you.